Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have the creamy risotto with chicken. So I made it kind of like an Italian style, I guess you can say. With the cream, Parmesan cheese, basil, oregano, stuff like that. But anyway, it turned out really nice. I'm proud of it. Couldn't really get a good presentation on the plate, but it's all right. So here we go. You can see it. And this should last me for a little bit of time. It's not like I live with anybody, so. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. We're gonna see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. So, the grilled chicken. You can see it. But here's the final product. I don't really eat on camera, but so yeah. Anyway, so we'll catch you guys later tonight. Head down so I can do an interview with a kid, get a story for you. So thanks for watching. Please click on the link down below, subscribe for more videos, and talk to you later. Bye.